Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to explore the fascinating world of CNC door design. If you are someone who loves stylish home interior, modern technology, and unique wooden or metal artistry, then you will enjoy this video. We will cover what CNC doors are, their benefits, material used, design style, and tips for selecting the right CNC door design for your home. Introduction to CNC door. CNC stand for computer numerical control. It is a modern machining process where cutting, engraving, and carving are done with the help of computerized machine. When this technology is applied to door making, we get CNC designed doors that are highly precise, symmetrical, and artistic. Unlike traditional carving, which require manual effort, CNC allows designer to create complex pattern, detailed texture, and 3D design on wood, MDF, or metal with perfect accuracy. This technology has completely changed the way we look at door design in modern homes and offices. Material used in CNC doors. The CNC doors can be crafted using different material depending on style and budget. Some common options are wood. Solid wood like teak, oak, ash, and walnut is often used for CNC carving. It gives a natural and rich look. MDF medium density fiberboard affordable and flexible. MDF is a great option for intricate CNC cutting and pattern. Plywood a durable and economical choice. Many CNC doors for homes are made from plywood with decorative laminates. Metal CNC laser cutter design on iron, steel, or aluminum are popular for main gate and modern entry doors. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.